हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आपके फर्स्ट पीरियोडिक टेस्ट का प्रिपरेशन बहुत ही तेजी से चल रहा है। पिछले लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने चार्ज से रिलेटेड कुछ रिवीजन किए थे और आज हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट से रिलेटेड रिवीजन करने वाले हैं। और आज का लेक्चर भी आपके फर्स्ट पीरियोडिक टेस्ट जो होने वाला है उसके लिए भी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकता है, तो आपको इस लेक्चर को एंड तक देखना चाहिए। मैं भी इस लेक्चर से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन आपके फर्स्ट पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में आ सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक्स में डाउट हो तो आप मेरा पिछला लेक्चर जो इन सारे टॉपिक्स पे ऑलरेडी बना दिया गया है वो लेक्चर्स जाके मेरे YouTube चैनल पर फिर से देख सकते हैं और वहां से नोट्स भी कॉपी कर सकते हैं। आइए सबसे पहले हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के बारे में फिर से अच्छे तरीके से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, ध्यान से समझना, मैं बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। सपोज कि हम लोगों के पास एक चार्ज है एंड वी नो दैट दिस चार्ज will create an electric field around it, and this charge will create an electric field around it. Now when we bring another unit positive charge which is kept at infinity to the electric field of this charge, then what we have to do? We have to do some amount of work to bring this unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field. We have to do a work to bring this unit positive charge from infinity to a point, and this much amount of work done in bringing the unit positive charge from infinity is called electric potential. And mathematically we define electric potential as the work done by charge. So we write electric potential is equal to work done by charge. Now student, the symbol of work done is W and the symbol for the charge is Q. It means W by Q is equals to what? Potential, electric potential, and we write it as V. Now we will define the electric potential difference. Student, when we have brought this unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field, then we have did some amount of work done, and suppose when we have brought the charge from infinity to point A, the potential at point A is VA, and in this electric field only, if we move this unit positive charge to another point, let B, then we have again done some amount of work done in moving this positive charge from point A to point B, and the potential at point B is VB. Now suppose we have again done same amount of work done, then the potential at point B is increased. It means potential at B is greater than potential at A. It means potential at B is greater than potential at A. Now if we find out the difference between the potential at point A and at point B, then that difference in the potential is called electric potential difference. We can write it as potential at A, potential at B minus potential at A, and this is what? Potential difference. This is what? Potential difference. So We can define the electric potential difference as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field, and electric potential difference is only the difference between the potentials at 2 points, and we can calculate it same as we have written this equation. Work done per unit charge is electric potential. So we can write here the electric potential difference V is equal to potential difference at B minus potential at A. We can substitute this equation also. The amount of, suppose work done at point A is WA, work done at point B is WB, then and the amount of charge is moved is Q, amount of charge is moved as what? Q. So potential difference is WB by Q minus WA by Q. So this is the potential difference, and we have written it as here. Now we will talk about the SI unit of electric potential and electric potential difference. Students, we know that the SI unit of work done is joule, and the SI unit of charge is coulomb, as we have discussed earlier. It means joule per coulomb is the SI unit of electric potential, and the symbol for joule is J and symbol for coulomb is C. We can also write joule per coulomb, and joule per coulomb is also known as volt. Joule per coulomb is also known as what? Volt. It means the SI unit of electric potential is joule per coulomb, and joule per coulomb is known as volt. Okay student, remember it. It could be asked in the exam what is the SI unit of electric potential difference, and you all have been given four units for that, and you have to mark the correct one, and the correct one will be what? Volt. Now we will talk about electric current. Electric current. Students, electric current, as we have discussed in the previous lecture, the amount of charge moving per unit time. Now let us discuss in detail about the electric current. We know that the electrons in a conductor is free to move here and there, and these electrons were called free electrons. And if you have any doubt on this, you can go through my previous lecture of conductor and insulator where I have taught this. Now these electrons are free to move inside the conductor, and these free to move electrons are called free electrons. And we know that electron carries negative charge. When we bring a positive charge nearby this conductor, then what will happen? Imagine the situation. We know that unlike charges attract each other, all these negative charged carrier, that is electron, get directed towards the positive charge and start moving in a specific direction. We can say that definite direction, and these charge will start moving in a specific direction like that in the influence of another positive charge, and this flow of charge in a different direction is called electricity. And when we calculate the amount of charge moved per unit time, that is called electric current. It means electric current is equal to what? Charge by time. And we know that symbol of charge is Q and symbol for time is T. It means Q by T is equal to electric current, where I is the symbol for electric current. Now we will talk about the SI unit of electric current. Student, we know that SI unit of charge is coulomb and the SI unit of time is second. It means the SI unit of what? SI unit of electric current is coulomb per second. Symbol for coulomb is C and symbol for time is what? S. It means, or it can also be written as C per second, coulomb per second, and this coulomb per second is also known as ampere. It means coulomb per second is also known as ampere. It means SI unit of electric current is ampere. It could also be asked in the examination that out of the following which one is the SI unit of electric current, and you have to mark it. If coulomb per second is given, you have to mark coulomb per second is the SI unit of current, and if ampere is given, you have to mark it ampere is the SI unit of electric current. Now, what about the numericals? Students, as you know that all the questions were MCQ and you will get only 1 marks to solve one problem. So, the numericals will also be of that level that could be solved in 1 second only. All the numericals which will come are directly formula basis. It means if you all have been asked about to find out the electric potential difference, you have to use that formula. V is equals to W by Q. One quantities of this formula will be missing. You have to find out that missing quantity and you have to calculate it. Now, either work done is given, charge is given, you have to find out the potential. Either work done and potential is given, you have to find out what? Charge. Or either charge and potential difference is given, you have to find out the amount of work done. Again, in this equation, if charge and time is given, you have to find out the amount of current. If current and time is given, you have to find out the amount of charge flowing through the conductor, and if charge and current is given, you have to find out the time for which the current is flowing through the conductor. So student, I hope you all have understood these topics. If you want to know more about this lecture, once again go through my previous lecture. So students, in today's lecture this much is enough. See you soon in the next lecture. तब तक के लिए खूब पढ़िए और अपने परिवार के साथ साथ अपने देश का भी नाम रोशन कीजिए। जय हिंद।